Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi, ladies and gentlemen. Let me introduce myself. My name is Konita Milatina. I'm from 5BC. Here, I would like to present my presentation with the title name variable and their types, and with specific their types, named categoric and continuous variable. So before I go deeper into explain my explanation this time, I would like to explain the meaning of variable first. The meaning of variable is a concept or abstract idea that can be described in measurable terms. In research, this term refers to the measurable characteristic, qualities, traits, or attributes of a particular individual, object, or situation being studied. Anything that can vary can be considered a variable. For instance, age can be considered a variable because age can take different values for different people or for the same person at different times. Similarly, income can be considered a variable because a person's income can be assigned a value. The types of variable. There are other types of variable that you can meet, like the names are: the first is categoric variable and second continuous variable. What is categoric variable? Categoric variable is the data that can be stored into groups or categories with the aid of names or labels. Usually, a categoric variable known as qualitative data. This group is usually made according to the data characteristic and similarities of this characteristic through a method known as matching. The example of categoric variable is gender. Why? Because it can be categorized into male and female according to some unique qualities possessed by each gender. Categoric variable also has the characteristics include lack of standardized order scale, natural language description, text numeric values with qualitative properties, and visualized using bar chart and pie chart. And this is types of categoric variable that we can use when we want to make categoric variable, namely nominal data and ordinal data. What is nominal data? This is data type of categorical data that names or label, sometimes called naming data. It has characteristics similar to that of a noun. For example, nominal data, name of person, gender, school graduates from, and etc. While ordinal data, this is the categorical data includes elements that are ranked, ordered, or have a rating scale attached. One can count and order nominal data, but it cannot be measured. For example, when we want to rating a restaurant's new menu, a scale of 1 until 5 rating. This is, you can see, making such a data ordinal. And the next, continuous variable. What is continuous variable? Continuous variable is the data type with uncountable elements. They are represented as a set of interval on a real number line. Similar to discrete data, continuous data can also be either finite or infinite. Very continuous variable can take infinite number of values like income, temperature, age, or a test score. This is all of continuous variable. This example of continuous variable. And continuous variable also has the characteristic standard order scale, numerical description, text, numeric values with numerical properties, and visualize using bar chart, pie chart, scatter plots, and etc. And usually we can use type of data continuous variable with the three types data. Their names are ordinal data. This is ranking data, for example, the first champion, the second and third winner. This number have a meaning more than just a label, as in the nominal data above. And the second data is interval data or range. Is range type data that can be used in arithmetic operation. In addition, the interval data have a clear distance between each data. And the third, ratio data. Ratio data is the most complex measurement data and can certainly be used in calculation operation. The numbers in the ratio data are true numbers. If there is zero, is true or is absolute. And this is other names of categoric variable and continuous variable. Categorical data is also called qualitative, like I said before, while continuous data or numerical data is also called quantitative data. This is because categorical data is used to qualify information before classifying them according to their similarities, while continuous data or numerical data is used to express quantitative values and can also perform arithmetic operation, which is quantitative characteristic. Both numerical and categorical data have other names that depict their meaning, but the names are however different from each other. Then you can see, for example of categoric and continuous data, the example below are example of both categorical data and numerical data respectively. So this is the example of categorical data, and this is the example of continuous data. So I think that's all for me. Thank you for watching and thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.